So hi everyone, I know it's been a while since we last spoke and I hope you missed me all. Just kidding. So I want to share a lot of information with you, and in particular we have a lot of news in federal and state level regarding privacy and technology in general. For example, like Colorado enacted a new privacy act and it became a third state that has a comprehensive privacy law right now. The bill will be in effect the law actually will be in effect in 2023. But I will talk separately about it. But today, as I promised you before, I will continue to talk about cryptocurrency and I'll focus on crypto mining and issues related to crypto mining, such as environmental issues or the use of electricity. As a reminder, in terms of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology enables peer-to-peer transaction between two parties without the need of any third party or bank. Um, Transactions are verified by thousands of computers, each of them in a race to solve complex problems, calculations, or let's call them algorithms. The computer that does it in the shortest amount of time is rewarded with crypto or with coins. And this scheme is applicable to the proof of work concept. And if you remember, I believe I spoke last time and discussed two different concepts. One is proof of work and another one is proof of stake. And proof of stake does not reward, and if we didn't, let me know, we can talk about it. Proof of stake does not reward with coins, but it rewards with fee. The miners do not compete with each other and do not consume so much energy as the miners that use proof of work. Most of the popular, cryptocurrencies using proof of work concept, for example, Bitcoin. And yes, obviously, this process of solving the algorithmic problems and receiving a crypto as a reward called Bitcoin mining or crypto mining. So you want to know how it looks like. Usually the computer is stacked on the shelves in warehouses and often with a big cooling fans. Electricity is about 80% of the mining's operating cost, and with 30% of it going to cooling systems. According to Bloomberg, and they cited a Chinese news agency, which I cannot pronounce, mining machine consumes about 45 million kilowatt hour power per month. Clearly consumes a lot of energy. But I would like to compare this number to compare it with, let's say, how much energy is used by data center or how much energy is used by banks, by computers in banks, not banks in general. So if you happen to know those numbers, please let me know. I will be very curious to take a look. And as I said before, the miners who complete the calculation awarded with crypto. And yeah, the most popular is crypto and Ethereum. And want to say that currently 65% of all Bitcoin mining operations are located in China. However, that might change because China has different limitations and regulations right now. So according to Cambridge University report, China is still #1 destination for Bitcoin mining, and then the United States, and then we have Russia and Kazakhstan. However, that could change. And it is possible that Kazakhstan might become #2 destination or #3 destination and I think that could happen for several reasons. First, China is very close to Kazakhstan and it's easier for miners from China to migrate to Kazakhstan. Second, Kazakhstan has relatively cheap electricity, about 3 cents per kilowatt hour. And the weather in Kazakhstan may not require extensive cooling system working 24/7. So this is my point of view about cryptocurrency and location. Whether cryptocurrency is bad or good for environment and for economy of the state in general, I noticed that states have two approaches. Some states and cities are welcoming cryptocurrency and new technology to their state, and some of them are not. For example, states that welcome cryptocurrency are Texas, Wyoming, Nebraska, Kentucky, and I also heard, I saw the mayor of Miami speaking about cryptocurrency mining. So other states, as New York, or in particular Plattsburgh, New York, they have different approach. And in Plattsburgh, for example, they have moratorium on new crypto mining operations, and I think that's about to expire already. But we might talk about it if you wish. So the states that welcome new technology can provide tax breaks, for example, for crypto mining companies, and that is done in Kentucky. And Mayor of Miami also supports crypto mining operation, and he proposed special zones for crypto mining. And Texas, interestingly, actually changing its Texas Uniform Commercial Code to include definition of virtual currency, and that's also subject to a separate discussion. So in New York, I found several crypto mining operations and companies. First, the Digital is located near Union Square with mining operations all over the United States. I also found Greenwich Generation located in Yates County. I don't know if I pronounced it right or not. And I think the company in Plattsburgh is Coinmint. And as I said, before Plattsburgh actually issued, they enacted a law that I believe sets the 3-year ban for new crypto mining operation. And New York State, as you know, I post several articles about it, has a bill. It's not a law, it's a bill on crypto mining and specifically on proof of work. And that bill, as you probably know, failed to pass this session. And I want to say it was amended, I think, twice. So clearly, crypto mining consumes a lot of energy and also can affect residents and businesses, can affect their electricity bills, for example. And I was thinking about different solutions, and I looked what other cities and states are doing. And the first solution that came to my mind is to move from proof of work to proof of stake. But however, I think it's less likely at this point, and I'll tell you why, because most of the popular coins are using proof of work, let's say Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin miners, they already invested in maybe in real estate, they already probably have a lease, or maybe they bought a property, they bought equipment, and they have everything set up, and voluntarily switching to another proof of stake, probably unrealistic, and it will require a lot of actors to do that. So I probably say maybe in the future it's possible, but I'm not sure if it's actually realistically possible to do it voluntarily. Second solution that came to my mind is to locate those operations close to renewable or green energy, like power grid in Texas, or like power panels, and this way is done in Nebraska. Another way could be to have a cap on energy use, or maybe curtail usage for energy when it's very high demand. that way you will regulate the energy use. And another way is to require maybe a large security deposit or like a bond for crypto mining operation. And I want to tell you that New York City has bond for several businesses. For example, for a car wash, New York City requires to have a bond, I'm sorry. So maybe something similar could be for crypto mining. And lastly, I want to mention that I came across a very interesting technology. It's kind of vent technology that allows to consume natural gas that would otherwise be vented into atmosphere or go to waste. So those are the ideas that I found or came up with. And if you have any other ideas that you would like to discuss, let me know. Also, let me know what you want me to talk about next, whether you want me to focus on privacy, which I think we should do because now we have 3 states and we can talk about different, what is similar, what is different for every state and how business should comply with all those new laws. We can continue to talk about cryptocurrency and let's say talk about like tax implication or anything you want. Let me know. And yes, I think I still have a couple of questions that you guys asked me about cryptocurrency that I did not answer, and I remember about them, so I will answer them later. Bye.